Are you tired of struggling to come up with new ideas for your YouTube channel? Well, look, no video ideas to keep your channel fresh. The first video idea is Vlogmas. It's where you do 25 videos every day and you post them every day. Like, you vlog every day and post them every day for the month of December leading up to Christmas. 2, you can do reaction videos where you just watch like music videos or different YouTube videos like music, all that. 3, you could do a music playlist. This could be your summer playlist. You could do a back to school playlist. Like, you can show tour of your room. It's an apartment tour where you just show your entire apartment. This could be an empty apartment tour or a furnished apartment tour. This is like the other one. This is a house tour. If you have a house, you could do an empty house tour or a furnished house tour. You can do a get ready with me. This could be a get ready with me for prom. This could be a get ready for me for a concert. This could be a get ready with me for first day of school. In my book bag or what's in my purse. You can do a skincare routine and show all the things you do for your skincare. You could do a back to school vlog where the first day of school you can and vlog the whole day. You could do a workout routine. You could show what you do in the gym or show what you do at home to work out. 12 is an unboxing. This could be an unboxing of an iPad. This could be an unboxing of Amazon packages. Try on haul where you try on different clothes. You can do a day in my life where you vlog your entire day. A productive day in my life where you show everything that you're doing productively. 16 is a collection video. This could be shoes or this could be purses. 17 is shower routine. You can do what you do in the shower, and you can like get in the shower and tell all the things you do. You don't have to be naked. You can like wear like a bikini, and I do it like that. Self-care routine. This is different than you can show everything you're doing for your your skin, your hair, your nails. And you could do a weekly vlog where you just vlog the week. 20 is a weekend vlog where you vlog your weekend. This could be like if you have you doing a birthday weekend vlog, like that would be interesting. You could do a what I got for my birthday. You could show everything that people have given you for your birthday. You could do a vacation vlog and just vlog your vacation. You could do a how I edit my YouTube video if you have a YouTube video. You can do how I edit my Instagram pictures. So if you have an Instagram picture and you edit them, you can do that. Have a boyfriend or girlfriend, you can do a couples challenge. You could do a work week in my life where you vlog your work week. You could do a morning routine where you show your routine that you do in the morning. You could do a night routine where you show what you do at night. You could do pack with me for a vacation. You could do a wish list video. This could be Christmas wish list, your birthday wish list. You could do a drive with me. So if you're able to drive, you can like drive going different places, or you could do a drive with me just listening to music. You can do what I eat in a day. This you can just vlog everything you eat throughout that day. You could do a room transformation where you transform your room and show the process. You can do a quick Q&A. So if you have like a bunch of Instagram followers, you can ask them get them to ask you questions and answer them on the screen. You do a get to know me tag. They have a tag on Google where you answer the following questions that they give you. You can do a birthday vlog where you vlog your birthday. You can do a shopping vlog where you vlog you shopping. So You can do a 24-hour transformation. This could be a 24-hour closet transformation, 24-hour room transformation, or a car. You can do switching a diet for a week. This could be switching your diet with a friend, or you could switch your diet to a celebrity. You can do trying ASMR, and if y'all don't know what it is, it's like where you like get close to the microphone and just whisper. You can do pulling an all-nighter where you stay up all night and vlog your entire experience. I usually suck at those because I always end up falling asleep. You could do a closet transformation where you transform your closet. You could do a closet deep clean, so you deep clean your closet and like vlogging that. You can do a birthday prep video where you prep for your birthday. You can do a vacation prep video where you show your hair, your nails, skincare, all of that. You can do being a mom for 24 hours where you like vlog if you have a niece or nephew, or you have like a sister and you watch them for the day. You can just do that. You can do trying foreign snacks. That is self-explanatory where you just try different like Filipino snacks, Japanese snacks. You could do what's in my closet. You could show everything that's in your closet. And then you could do a bake with me where you just vlog you baking. You could do a sister tag where you and your sister ask questions. You can do a boyfriend tag where you and your boyfriend ask questions to each other. You could do a sibling tag where you and your sibling just ask questions. Do a spring lookbook where you show what you're gonna wear for the spring. Do a summer lookbook where you're showing what you are wearing for pumpkin summer carving video. So during fall, you can do a vlog of you carving a pumpkin where you are pampering yourself, and you can vlog that. You could do what I got for Christmas. You could do a gingerbread house, like you and your friend could do like a gingerbread house war, and you have another friend who judges which house looks better. You do a Friendsgiving. I have never had a Friendsgiving, but if you do a Friendsgiving, you could like vlog it and show what you're bringing and stuff like that. Do a 2023 bucket list. You could do this for the summer, or you could do this for like the spring. You could do waking up at 3 a.m. They usually do it for 5, but you could do it for 3 a.m. You could do a YouTube how-to, like how to do how I edit my thumbnails. Like you could do a how to grow on YouTube if you are like kind of a little up there. You could do how to grow on a tattoo vlog where you are vlogging your first tattoo for a day, like a celebrity. Trying to live like a different celebrity. Newbie tag. So like if you like books, of course, you can like they have a newbie tag where you are answering questions about books. So if you are going to be on the booktube tag like that, you can do 50 things to do in the summer, the spring, the winter. You can do a school advice video where you like telling the upcoming freshmen what kind of things to look out for. You can do a study vlog where you're vlogging you studying. You can do what's on my iPhone, what's on my iPad, what's on my Kindle. You can do a gift guide for her or him. Do maybe a solo diaries where you're I see some people who vlog like going to the movies or just getting their nails done, so it's up to you for real. You can do a Netflix recommendation. I did this one. It didn't really get that big, but if you want to do it, it's really interesting. Where you are recommending different movies or like TV shows on Netflix. It's just Netflix hasn't been hitting recently. But then you can do a costume idea, like Halloween costume idea. Exploring my city, where you like maybe go downtown and explore different shopping spots, coffee shops. You do travel vlog where you are showing you the day you're traveling. So like going on the airport, like packing, that sort. You do a product review, so you can do, have like if you have new products like different lotion or different hair products, you can do a review of that. You do current favorites. This could be the same thing. Different lotions, different deodorants, different skincare. Or like you could do books maybe. Yeah. You could do a create Pinterest outfit. You can try to recreate the a picture of this outfit that you wanted to do and try to see if you can recreate. You could do testing Starbucks drinks where you have like maybe 4 drinks and you just test them and see which one. Do a mukbang. This could be a Waffle House mukbang. This could be a juicy crab mukbang. This could be like bots for the females. I put this. You can do a hygiene routine where you just show all your hygiene. No budget limit. This is if you have plenty of money and you can do a no budget shopping. Do opinion on. You could do opinion on like different books or like different controversy or like different things that you want to do. You can do a decorate with me. This could be decorating with me for Christmas. So like maybe putting up your tree, that sorts of thing. You can do a story time. So if you have a different story, like maybe you got cheated on or maybe the time you snuck out the house, those do really good. You could do a decorate with me. This could be decorating your car. That sort. Decorating your house. Do a friends pick my outfits for a week where you call your friend and they just pick your outfit for do a crumble cookie review. So you can try like 4 different cookies and then try them and then maybe like review them. You could do what I give people for Christmas. These do really well too. So you can show what you are giving people for wisdom teeth. So if you're getting your wisdom teeth out, you can vlog that. You can do a baby shower vlog. So if you are pregnant, you can vlog your baby shower. You could do a concert vlog. This could be any concert. You could do like a raw wave concert, a Knob, Coheed and Cambria. You can do games. You could do first time playing Fortnite, or you could do first time playing 2K, or you could do like guy friend shows me how to play 2K. Those do really haul video too. Where you show your like a book haul. If you go to the thrift store, you could do a thrift store shopping vlog, and then you could do like a mini haul at the end. And you could also do a book review, like where you review how you liked the book or how you didn't like the book. And then you can also do a movie review. So if you like the movie, like everything you liked about the movie, you could do one with no spoilers. I hope some of these video ideas help you plan your next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Oh, bye guys. Peace.